in this video, I'm going to explain these two words that many times students get confused. If you pronounce those words, accept or accept, these two words, daily we just find or read these words somewhere with different spelling. Actually, these words sound similarly. What first word it stands for and another one also I'm going to tell you what these words stand for differently. Like first word accept, ACCEPT, accept. This word we can use like someone is just giving something that and you are just taking that from that person. It means you are accepting something. Like you are going to submit any form by filling all the information in that, and that while you just putting that form somewhere and another person is just receiving that means accept. Okay, so we have solved that confusion. And another one, accept, EXCEPT. This accept stands for different meaning. Okay, suppose you and your friends are going to attend any party and you own a bike, but among those friends one is asking for borrow your bike, but one name is Shubham, other name is Subhash. You believe in Shubham, so you're gonna give your bike to Shubham except Subhash. It means आप किसी दोनों में से एक पर भरोसा करते हैं, एक पर नहीं करते, तो आप बोल सकते हैं कि मैं सिर्फ मेरी बाइक सुभाष को देता हूँ शुभम को छोड़ के।